Okay, here's the deal. I have never, ever done this in my life, and it might get this video kicked off YouTube. I'm really not sure on the rules on something like this, but I did something this last Friday that brand new for me. By the way, my name's Keith. I'm a voiceover artist. This is my channel about me rebuilding my voiceover business after having cancer. I got some more details down in the description if you want to take a few minutes to read that. So, and while you're down there, hit that little subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. So, here's what happened.
I hear that train coming. It's rolling right the bend. And I ain't seeing the sunshine singing. I don't know when.
Yeah. That's me. That's me standing up doing Johnny Cash karaoke. Never have I ever even had an inkling of wanting to try something like this until Friday night. It was me and my wife were at a fundraiser for a wonderful charity called Equine Escapes. This karaoke for a cause. I'm listening to everybody up there and they're just having a blast. And I'm thinking, you know, this is one of those challenges, one of those things that you just know you got to get out of the box and try. You got to step up there. I talk. That's what I use my voice for. I don't sing. I never claimed to be a singer. And it frightened the dickens out of me to think about even going up there and attempting this. After about an hour, I just said, I got nothing to lose. What's going to happen, right? Maybe they laugh at me. Oh, well, who cares? This is for me. This is something I want to do. This is going to be part of my challenge for 2019 to step outside of my box, take on new things, and go after it. So I did it. And we had more of this.
But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry.
I'm never going to be on the Grand Ole Opry. You will never hear me on Spotify. You may never want to hear me ever try to sing again. That's okay. The thing is, I took on a challenge, another challenge. And come hell or high water, I just said, I'm going to get it done and I'm going to do it. I don't care what people think. This is my due. These are the things that I want to accomplish. Get out of my way, people. Don't try to knock me down anymore. I'm coming at you. So I want you to do the same thing. Get out there and try something new, something you've never done. Oh my gosh, it blew my mind. It was so freeing. I was running around that room trying to encourage other people to get up and try this. They have no idea what it is to get outside of yourself, even for a moment. It will change your life.
Do it!
And perhaps leave you a little tone deaf. I just had to share that this week. It's been a crazy week. Everything with a car crash a couple weeks ago to getting to this and now doing karaoke. By the way, the business is a little slow right now. So, it's a good thing that this happened, or I wouldn't have a video today. So you go do something this weekend. Go out, find your own karaoke bar. Go try it. I'll tell you what, you're going to love it and you're going to feel good about yourself. You will be able to take on the world by overcoming that one little fear, one at a time. Get out and do your due. So thank you very much for coming and checking out my channel again. Thanks for sitting through this video and the little bit of misery of my singing. I greatly appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you can get notified when I put up new videos. I'm doing it every Tuesday. Ring that bell. That will help with that too. And make sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me what it is you're going to step outside of your box and do, or maybe you've already done this year. I want to hear about it. Come on, let's get a little crazy. It's a lot of fun. All right, we'll see you next Tuesday behind the mic.
Down the line, far from closing prison, that's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. That's where you put your hands together for Keith.